Hello everyone, hi, happy Friday. Today is the end of April 30th of 2021, and here I got some unboxing to do with all you guys. And here's my Louis Vuitton as you have seen on my cover photo. So this will be real quick, okay? I don't want to take too much of your time. I know everybody's gonna be busy. I am super busy. All my schedule's been booked until end of May. So let's do it real quick. I'm gonna work after this as well. So first up, I wanna show you with this. I bought this from Fashionphile. And as you know, I love Fashionphile because it's a reasonable price and plus everything's authentic. Okay, I don't do fake shit as I always say. So let's open it up. Let's do it. Wow, look at that! Another Fashionphile box, and it comes with like this. Can you guys see it? Here's the Fashionphile for the nail. I like my money where I can see it hanging in my closet. So, and this is the receipt from Fashionphile. And here is the beauty. Okay, and this is the box, as you know. Okay, I'll be right back. Real quick, stay there. I'll be right back.
A few minutes later.
Okay, so let's reveal. Okay. Oh wow, look at this Gucci. Isn't it nice? Love it. Look at the color. It's amazing. It's a cuff skin, smooth cuff skin. It's a Gucci. Look at this. See this? Oh, I love the lens. Isn't it cute? Up here, this is the Gucci, and this is so detailed. And here's the Gucci, and it is so nice with the silver hardware. And you're gonna open like this, and you know, like that. Oh, they got all the dust bag and authenticity card and everything. So it has the Gucci thing here. The leather, the sample leather, and here's the Gucci, the what you call the authenticity card. Okay, very nice. And here's the dust bag, the Gucci dust bag. See this Gucci dust bag? See Gucci. And it smells so good. Gucci made in Italy is here, and it has like a double compartment.